Hi. Congrats time. Congrats. Yes. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Hold on. Give me a second. Okay. Hold on. What am I doing? Hi, Howling. I know. It's been what, like a couple of hours? I'm gonna check out the site you sent me. Okay. Oh, wait, wait, what's going on with my hold on. My stream deck. What is going on with my stream deck right now? Oh, I'm really tired, guys. I'm really tired. How is everyone? How is everyone? Uh, ooh, you broke Love's streak. Are you going to stream tonight, Howling? Ooh, okay. That's not that's not what I want. There we go. There we go. Ooh. Hey, wait. Oh my gosh, Snow used to do that. It's like Code Wars or something like that. No, seriously. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I honestly have no idea what I'm doing. How do I reset my stream deck? Hold on. Hold on, guys. Okay. I'm gonna be right back because I'm gonna climb underneath my desk really quick. Oh, no, that's not it. Hey. Oh my god. Okay, did that work? No, I didn't. Wait, maybe? Did it work? I don't know. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Okay. Leech runes. Hold on, wait. Clash of Code or something like that. You got woken up to a company-wide meeting? If I join, I will be in last place, if that makes you feel better. No, it would not even be a fight. I would just literally be in last place. I don't do enough leak code. Okay, there we go. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. Like I know what I want to do, but I don't know what I'm doing. So give me a second. Let me figure this out. Okay. Hmm. Okay, anyways, let's do Python venv dot venv. Is that correct? Did I do that correct? Okay, good. I kind of remember what I'm doing. You're planning on using Airflow and dbt for your scraping project. What was your scraping project again? Oh, that did not. Wait. Did not work, did it? Hold on. Wait. Okay. Why do I always forget how to do a virtual environment? Like where'd my water go? Like I always forget the command. No. Python virtual environment. And then, no, that was right. Why did it stop? Do I have LeetCode Premium? No, I do not. For now scraping exam dump one. Okay. I don't think I completely understand that, but okay. Okay. Why did that not work? Let's try that again. Python them them. Hi. Oh. That's correct. Hi, Carpenter. How are you? Okay, then we're going to do .them, scripts, activate. Okay, now we're going to do pip upgrade pip. No. Pip install upgrade pip. Oh, yay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. What the heck? Oh. No, pressure. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Thank you for the raid. Holy moly. Shout out. Oh my gosh. What the heck? What the heck, guys? So much pressure. I just started streaming too. So much pressure. Hi, Premiere. And also, thank you so much for the follow, Preston Codes. And oh, thanks so much for the sub, Coppinger. No pressure. Do it live. No. Oh my gosh, too much pressure. I don't even have a plan right now. I don't even have a plan right now. Thanks so much for the follow, Steven. I appreciate it. Holy moly. Holy moly. I don't know what I'm doing. No, I seriously have no idea what I'm doing. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's write out a plan. Okay, and then we're also gonna do get ignore. Okay, and then we're going to do dot them. Okay, thanks so much for the follow, Knoxville. But no, seriously, oh my gosh, too much pressure, too much pressure. Oh, I just started streaming. I'm not in the right headspace. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. The plan. So I was talking. Oh, wait, time. I know that you have Pocket Watch. If you are there, check Discord. Check Discord. What do you think of that? What do you think of that idea? And if not, that's okay. That's okay, guys. I can still work on my photo sharing app. Okay. So I want to right now, this is for more preschool type thing. So for Baby Bunny's preschool, calendar, I can spell calendar app, where each day can take roster or attendance, can take attendance, and automatically send out the pictures to those accounts. Yeah, those accounts that were there that day. Okay, so I want a calendar app where each day can take attendance, automatically send out pictures to those accounts that were there that day. We'll need levels of users. So there will be admin, teachers, students, enrolled, trials, or students trials, right? Okay, so students trials, English, please. I don't know how to read Chinese. I see characters I recognize, but I do not know how to read. I recognize the characters, but I do not know how to read. And for those on Twitch, I am also streaming on YouTube. So if I start talking, and same goes to YouTube, if I start talking and responding to something that you can't see, it means that I'm probably responding to the other chat. Yeah. But yeah, howling. That's what I'm talking about. Like, Sometimes I just start talking like, oh, I don't understand Chinese or something like that. Oh, thanks so much for the follow, Lusassel. I definitely butchered that, but thank you, thank you. I appreciate it. Okay, the students' trials. Okay, first focus on building calendar app. And worry about levels. So I would want it on the admin or the teacher side. Yeah, I would want it on the teacher side, right? Or the admin side. First things first, I would want do we want to be able to I think like the idea is you can't go back to another day and edit it. So only able to edit on current day. No, but that's not but like what happens if like a teacher is sick and they are delayed? So I don't think that's a good idea. Yeah, I don't think that's a good idea. Okay, so first and foremost, how am I going to do this? In terminal, we'll type in dates, but in and click, right? So right now I'm just focused on the terminal, but I need to figure out how I'm going to do the terminal. I think I want to limit it where they cannot go back further than a certain amount. Okay, I can only go back. We'll type in dates. Then how am I gonna build this in the terminal? I feel like, is it better to just build the apps like with the interface and the app at the same time? I kind of feel like that might be better, right? It front end first or feature first development. So simultaneous. But I am going to have some issues with the database, I think. Okay, if you're a solo developer, start with front end to design. Ah, oh, dang it. That means I have to actually like work on my React. Oh my gosh, this is so much pressure. Why did I decide to stream this? Hi Pierce Sizzle. Why did I decide to stream this? I don't remember React. No, I don't remember how to set it up. Okay. I think let's get the HTML first. Okay. So plan. Step 1. get HTML set up. Well, no, because React uses HTML at the same time. So I would want to do React. Oh, dang it. Okay. Oh my gosh, Eccentricate. Make it you. Oh my goodness. Hi, how are you? You have a sub badge. Oh, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, Eccentricate, guys, Eccentricate is like an OG. Been with me as a mod since my WoW days. Since my WoW days, guys. That was a long time ago. Oh my gosh. No, stop talking about me. Okay, okay, okay. I'm stopping. I'm stopping. Um, okay. I am okay, I'm gonna use a little bit of AI for this. Am I gonna be charged for this for VS Code? Oh my gosh. Another thing I'm like a little bit stressed about is I haven't subscribed to any of the um stuff yet, and I'm just worried like I've been reading horror stories where people are being charged like an obscene amount of money for using tokens and stuff, and I'm just like, uh-huh. I don't want that to happen. You get 50 free messages a month once you log in. You can't be charged. Okay. 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 At least I feel better knowing that I refuse to sign up for pay as you go plans. I guess another question is I was looking at the subscriptions, but then has anybody okay, but if somebody does a subscription like any of you guys that do like one of the $20 subscriptions and you run out of tokens for that current subscription. Oh, thanks so much for subscribing on YouTube, Ernesto. I appreciate it. If you run out of tokens, does it just keep charging you to use more tokens, or does it warn you before it charges you? Okay, guys, gonna use AI. It says you gotta wait. Okay. Okay. Okay, so another question, guys. Do you guys recommend paying for... So I've been looking at either doing Claude Code or Cursor. So I know Cursor, I can use the Claude Code agent, but then Cursor has the actual IDE that I can code in and prompt in, or because I could just be a complete dumb butt, which I'm not gonna put it past myself. But I don't see Claude Code as having any sort of like integrated IDE. Use Cursor? Okay. Okay. Okay, yeah, like I was messing around with Cursor when Grok was free. But Windsurf. I have not heard of Windsurf before. I'm really okay. I have to admit, I with the whole AI like coding things, I'm really behind just again because of my learning style. But I also feel like right now I'm at a confident enough level that I can prompt certain things and be comfortable enough that I'm like, okay, I understand this. But then like other things, I still feel like I want to figure out myself. Codex is, see, this isn't helping me. There's too many options. But I did look at Cursor. So I think I'm probably going to do Cursor. Yeah, because I was looking at Cursor again with Grok when it was free like last week or 2 weeks ago. Okay, but let me just look at... Claude Code on the web. Okay, there we go. If I'm landing interviews, I landed one interview. I've landed 2 online assessments, but didn't make it past that. Hi, Palooza. Oh, thanks so much. An interview is an interview. That was over almost a year ago, though. It was almost a year ago. But I'm gonna take a break from stressing about finding a job for the next month and a half. Don't forget, guys, I am going to be gone for a month and a half. I'll maybe stream like once every month, once every 3 weeks or so. But no promises. Hi, Timothy, welcome in. What's the project? Hi, Tyler. So the project is a calendar app where each day will be like a photo journal that you can add captions to. So similar to like Instagram, I guess, but you can click on the day and you can see the photos that were uploaded for that particular day. Okay. I think on the web. Okay. Claude Code uses Excalibur. Wait, I can connect Excalibur to Claude? What? Okay. So I could draw. Wait, so I can draw what my idea is? I can draw what my idea is and it would do it? Okay, help me write UI for, help me write a UI for a calendar web app. I do in React. JS. React.js is yeah. Okay, React.js is web app. In React.js, I want okay, help me write a UI for calendar web app in React.js. Okay, you guys want to see me? I just want you to use. Oh, that's so sweet, Pure Sizzle. Okay. Hold on. Let me. I think I can share this. Okay, I think I'll share this. It's fine. I don't think there's anything on here that can that I don't want you guys to see. Um, I should, oh my gosh. Oh, thanks so much for the follow, JLem. I should rename my stream Vibe Coding, huh? Just kidding. Just kidding. Maybe. Maybe. Should I rename it to Vibe Coding? I don't think I really want to rename that to Vibe Coding. Yeah, no, I think I'm okay not renaming it. Okay. Let me move this so that I don't look like I'm staring off. Fucking moments before disaster. Hi, Linux. Welcome here. I don't want to be a vibe coder, okay, but I'm also like not really wanting to dive into React right now when I'm so focused on backend. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Okay. I remember reading that you say what you don't want, and supposedly the agents do better. I don't even know what I want. I think that's the problem. Okay, so I'm trying to imagine this. Let me see. Oh, you guys want to hear something ridiculous? So you know how I spent so long on my I spent so long on my weather or my baseball scraping app. They posted in Slack today that they will allow us to scrape the weather station website or the weather website instead of the baseball website if we want. And I'm just like, that would have been so much better because I would have actually understood more of the data. Like, I felt like I was blind going in because I was trying to compare and find and analyze data for baseball, which is a sport that I understand to the bare minimum, but like with the stats of like ground balls or like the vocabulary and like what everything means, I was going in blind. I didn't know what anything meant. Oh, ask it to her. That is smart. To help you write a prompt. Okay. You know how I landed vibe coded spread your wings? There's nothing wrong with easy. Do I prefer React job to what? I prefer Python and I prefer backend over front. And just okay. Help me plan. Help me plan and write a prompt. This is a new project. Hi Panda. Should I actually ask ChatGPT then or Gemini? Instead, so I don't use my tokens up for Claude. It's just so 2023. Okay. Okay, help me plan a web app that's better, write a better prompt. I'm getting so many like mixed messages. Don't ask it to write a prompt. That's meta. Ask it to write a better prompt. Give what a role? I don't even know what I'm doing yet. How can I give it a role? I haven't figured out how I'm going to approach this project yet. I know what I want to build, but I don't know how to start. Yeah, Piercesville, that's what I was going to do, but I'm saying, like, with Kaizen, he's like, wrong, give it a roll. How do I give it a roll when I don't even know yet? I feel like that's yeah, that's being like, hey, I want you to do this, but I don't know how you're going to do this, but do it. Fifth grade, math, great. Okay. There are a lot of differing opinions. However, I am going to, while I respect all of your guys' opinions, I am going to follow the opinion of my OG. And yeah, so I'm gonna follow the advice and opinion of my OG. Yes, I agree, eccentricate, but I think it's also important to. There's so many differing opinions. There's so many differing opinions. I will try different ways of approaching it and figure out what I like best. Thanks so much for the follow, Sweesh. Claude runs in terminal. Every IDE works. I wouldn't start with React right away. Start simple and easy. Usually I use it writes the code then locally for you without needing. But if you want to learn programming, the web. Hey Kaizen, I think you think I'm further along than I am. Like, I'm still trying to figure out the steps of what I want or how to get to what I want. So I get what you're saying about giving it a role and a task, but that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to give it a task of planning out the steps. Hi, Brown May. Will I put what on GitHub? My calendar app? I haven't decided. I mean, I'm gonna be coding it live. Some of it will be coded live, but I haven't decided if I'm gonna make it a private or public repo because I actually have plans for this project. I have a bad habit of doubting myself. I'm also like, oh my gosh, I'm also sitting here with Claude open and I'm just like, people are gonna hop in and be like, oh, just another vibe coder. Like Shokin. I mean, technically, I am kind of vibe coding right now, but okay. Help me plan a web app. That. Okay. Help me plan. Help me. Break down the steps and plan a web calendar web app. Your sizzle. I don't actually remember. I think you're in my Discord. Have you not seen my Discord messages of like, oh my gosh, I am just doubting myself. I am failing. Yeah, it's been a roller coaster of a couple of weeks. Help me. Okay, I'm gonna hit a focus mode, but let me make it a 5-minute focus mode, not a 45-minute focus mode. Timer. Okay. I'm gonna hit a focus mode just so I can focus on this prompt. I think I'm getting so much in chat right now that it's almost like there's a lot going on right now. So, hold on. Okay, so help me break down the steps and plan a calendar web app where a user can, where a admin user can where a teacher, a user, oh my gosh, be specific but not too specific, right? Where there is a roster / list of students for that day, and the admin can select. Okay, actually, I'm gonna make it simple first. Make it simple and then add features. If I make it too complicated, I'm not going to know what any of the code does. So my plan of attack is make it simple first and then add to it, which is how I normally code on my own anyways. I usually start with a simple idea and then I build upon that. So where a user can add pictures and captions to each day, where a user can, like a journal page, and other users can select the day where a user can add and other users can select the day and view the journal entry. I guess it would be a journal app, not a calendar app, right? Okay, so would it be considered more of a journal app or a calendar app, or am I like overthinking this right now? I feel like I'm overthinking this. I think this is another reason why I don't like doing AI, because I feel like I end up overthinking the prompt and then I just get confused. Even more so confused than I normally make myself. Okay, help me break down the steps and okay, I did see out of the corner of my eye, somebody said step by step. Break down step by step. Calendar web app where a user can add pictures and captions to each day like a journal page, and others can select and view the journal entry. Each day, there will be a list of users. I can see chat like going mad. I also realize you guys can't even see focus mode because it's so bright. But focus mode is over, so okay. Okay, so what's the not the free Blanche. I'm just trying it out. I am going to end up paying for it. I have to for some of my contract work. So, I am going to be paying for it. It's just right now I'm trying to learn how to use it. It's Dominique's direction. Just dogs with tech and this. Thanks so much for the follow, Skeen. Thanks, Endless Curiosity. Hit enter. So I know for sure it's not going to be a simple app. And it see what it does? Which to open. Okay, have a free pass. I think you can use Thanks 100 times, programmer. Are you sure you wanted to put your referral code in there? Oh, okay. Okay. I'm gonna keep this open, but I'm not gonna sign up for it just yet. 100 times. Okay. You're going to see the AI is rocket full once you reel it in. Hi, Exotic. So, sort of. The funny thing is, they moved, like, he reached out to me. We had a couple of meetings. Then my final project kind of took over. They also moved. They moved countries, okay? It's not just they moved towns. Like, the family moved countries. So, like, we haven't been in contact for the last, like, week and a half, 2 weeks. So I have to reach back out to him. I reached out to the wife just to check in how their move went, but I have to reach back out to him and figure out the next time we can meet. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good 100 times. Okay, so my question is, no, I'm gonna make it simple first. I can deal with adding the roster and the attendance later on. Like permissions can get added later. Let me just get the base of it built. Hi, type error. Oh my gosh. No, seriously, guys. I'm a little like that big raid in the beginning actually makes me really stressed out because there's so much pressure because there's people in my stream. I'm like, I have to perform well. I have to perform well. Like I'm getting performance anxiety right now. Okay. Wow. Okay. Oh, I want to do Python for the backend. Can I say that I'd rather do Python for the backend? Okay, hold on. Let me just copy and paste this really quick. Okay. Me AI plan dot txt. Okay, few changes. I would like just and yes, key is to do converse. Your app registration? What is wait, what app registration? Also, guys, hydrate. Hydrate. Also, non-codes, how are you feeling? Because I know last time you mentioned that you were also dealing with some not confidence issues, but more like just yeah. How are you doing? Congratulations, I think, right? Because I remember like you were very unhappy there. Did you get a new job yet or no? How did my video come out? I mean, I ended up re-recording it and then I uploaded it to YouTube. But I'm glad. I'm glad. Hi, Fran. Hi, Turing. How are you guys? How are you guys? I mean, so am I. So more power to you. Next question. Wait, why? What's going on with you? What's going on with you? Oh no. Okay. Like the back end to be Python. Okay. So view monthly. Typical pictures to CSS. Oh no, emotionally wrecked. Congratulations, Crayon. Congratulations. Well, I'm gonna be working on front end right now as well. Okay, I want the user to be able to add multiple pictures with captions journal entry at once. Okay, visibility settings. Who can view whose journal? Perfect. For visibility settings, I want the user to be able to update and select specific users for each day. Highlight days with existing entries. Okay. Image upload. Okay. Okay. That's funny that they recommend Flask or Fast API, since when I first started learning Python, everyone was like, oh, do Django, do Django, do Django. Uh, okay, so set up Flask. Okay, so it's actually having me set up the backend first. Okay, with Postgres. Django has a lot of built-in features though. So for Flask, so I learned Flask originally. So for Flask, there was a lot of stuff that I had to write myself. But like Django has a lot of built-in libraries and features. I think they're yeah. Hi, Rorono. I completely butchered that. I'm so sorry. Hello. Okay. Guys, am I actually gonna do this? I'm like looking at this and I'm not even gonna lie, I'm getting very overwhelmed. I'm going to, so I do have Cursor. I do have Cursor, but I haven't signed up for my subscription yet. AI is doing it for me, but I'm still going to be coding. Like, I'm just asking it to help plan. And let it YOLO it? No! I still want to learn. No, it's not that I'm confused. I'm just getting overwhelmed with how much there is. Like, I knew that this was going to be a bigger project, but I feel like... Yoda, I'm new to this project too. We're trying to figure it out. Yep. I mean, but I need, even if I want to just do the data engineering part of, like, it's not that big. Yeah. Well, it's not even just a calendar app. It's also like it's gonna be like a picture. It's more of a picture app, picture journal, or I guess it's more like a journal app. But I think the thing that's gonna make it more complicated is that it's going to have specific users for each day, and you only select those specific users that have access to it. Yeah, but I know I can do this. I think it's just more I'm looking at it and I'm just like, this is, and maybe it's because I'm putting pressure on myself to finish it quickly. But yeah, I have not. I've not heard of HTMX. Okay, build monthly calendar grid. Okay, so we're gonna actually rename this. I probably should have done this in Markdown, but it's okay. What was that? I don't remember what the explanation I said out loud was. Django, wait. Hold on. Did it I completely missed. I thought it was talking about Flask. Did it say, wait, where does it say Django? What? Don't look at anything else yet. Oh, thanks so much for the follow, Optimus Paul. Okay. So I'm gonna ask it. Okay, so would you like me to create star code? Let's have it create the back end. Let's just see how the back end is. This is not an educational channel. Just putting this out there. This is not an educational channel. This is chaotic. Yeah, this is chaotic. You're learning what not to do. You're learning what not to do. What back do you use in this project? Python. I'm gonna be doing Python. Yeah. This is the stream that you go to learn what not to do. I'm kidding. Okay, I'm not trying to be educational, okay? I'm not trying to teach anyone. If somebody learns from either my mistakes or what I do, then awesome. But I'm just putting it out there as a disclaimer that this is not an educational channel. I'm not here to teach anyone. I just hope that I don't lead anybody astray. Hi, Kamoo. Welcome in. Okay. Like I said, I am not planning on making this an educational channel. If you find it educational, then more power to you. You can definitely learn what not to do here. Okay. Please. And also, am I like weird? But I always say please and thank you. I know more than I think you do. I think I do. Maybe, maybe. We'll we'll see. We'll see. Okay, please. Thanks over as a bad cookie. Oh, thanks, Crayon. Roko's Basilisk. Oh no! Don't say that, Eccentric. I already feel so guilty about all the water that's being wasted. I mean, I will tell it that it makes no sense, but I won't call it names. What's Roko's Basilisk, by the way, Turing? And what's a great trait to have Pure Sizzle saying please and thank you? Baby Yoda, no. It is not. It's my first time using AI to help direct me in the correct direction. I'm in the please and thank you game. I do know Python. I do, yeah. Unless I just noticed that you wrote the same thing, except yeah, my filter is I would like to keep it wholesome. I would like to keep it wholesome. I feel like I'm going to run out of tokens before I've actually gotten anywhere. And I probably should have asked it to do the react more. Vibe coding. I'm not vibe coding. I mean, I guess I could say that. I guess I could say that I am. React was overrated. Okay, what do you use for the front end then? Is this goofy thought experiment where the future but it's true thinking about it. Really, really. Okay. But then what about the people that don't have access to it? Hi Adam, yeah. New project. Right now I'm just vibing, yeah. Vibing with chat, right? You say HTMX. I still don't know what HTMX is. What is HTMX? Oh, wait. HTMX stinks. It won't scale. Interesting. So HDMX does look like it is faster, but it looks like React scales a lot more easily. Yeah, I think React, if I no file content available. Wait. 16 files. Okay. How is this the starter code? Wait, what? Um But Yoda, if I want to get a job in corporate tech, I need to know React. YouTube chat is dead. Yeah. Not a lot of people chat in YouTube yet, but that's okay. You know, if you just want to lurk and vibe with the background music, that's fine with me. Actually, you want a job? I mean, technically, I want a job in backend, preferably as a data engineer. But I also think that having other skills will at least help me stand out. Okay. I'm like, yeah, I'm pretty sure I just asked for starter code. Yeah, please create the starter code. Machine learning pipeline. But what do you mean revise its plan? Like, I was happy with the plan, and I just wanted this phase 1. Although I am kind of curious what it looks like right now. Failed to download files. No file content available. So apparently it hallucinated so hard that it doesn't even have anything for me to download or look at. Hi, Ian. I know. Wow. I also like this disclaimer. Cloud AI can make mistakes. Please double check responses. Can I please have my tokens back? You didn't give me any files. Okay, hold on. Okay. Say generate boilerplate code and change it gives garbage over time. This is only my third inquiry though. Okay, let's try that again. There are no files to download. Please provide me with boilerplate, you guys said? Well, didn't they say, like, hasn't there been talk about the Claude Code CEO, like, basically updating Claude Code at this point with Claude Code generated code? It's not the way they get code. It's going to keep trying to do weird stuff to package it. Hi, Lord Theo. Okay, hold on. How do I get Claude? Is this Claude Code? Did I download or set agent? Or should I just see what this says out of curiosity? No, I know I'm in chat right now, but how do oh, sorry, I'm talking about on VS Code. Hold on. Just thought I'd be a full and very strong up front end, way stronger. I wound up building full stack where the back end was super and on purely you never know. Yeah, I agree. Code could be like okay. Let me look up how to download Claude Code then onto VS Code. And then I think but then if I okay, so the thing is if I add oh, I see. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Okay, how do I okay, so I guess another question is if I add Claude Code to VS Code, but I don't have a payment? No, I have to have a payment. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Let me figure this out. Okay, if I install Claude Code though, do I need to pay? hold on. Yeah, I don't want to use the 100, I don't want to use the referral from 100 times just yet. I have baked, okay, so I have cursor, but what? So the reason why I don't want to do the referral yet is because I'm going to be taking off starting Thursday. Okay, hold on. Okay. Hold on. This is a lot. This is a lot of information being. Yeah, okay, hold on. Let me find cursor. Yeah, that's why I don't have my card yet added. I have not added my card yet. The person is always free. Yeah, I have not added my card yet. Okay. Open project. Get hub. Get repos. And then calendar app. Select folder. Okay, and then why can't I see my files? You. Okay, there we go. Okay. Hold on, guys. Let me get cursor. Let me get cursor. Is Grok still free? Okay. What are the free agents out there right now? Open code is quite good. Okay, I'm so confused right now. So I also have this thing right here. Oh wait, I have Cloud Code. No, I still have to have. No, I don't want that. I don't want that. Chat. So hold on. Hold on. What is this then? Codex. Okay, wait. Somebody just mentioned Codex, right? Thanks so much for the follow, Chalio. Lio? Oh. Wait, Codex is free right now. Okay, so as of February 2026, Codex is free. Okay. Well then why am I not using Codex right here? Okay, how do I move this to the other side though, so you guys can see? Not what I wanted to do. To editor area? Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Okay, and like I said, I am going to be paying for a subscription in the future, 100 times. I'm probably going to redeem your, again, it's difficult for me right now because I know like I'm only gonna be like able to really sit down and code for the next 2 days. And then I'm going to be traveling for a little bit. So I'm like, I don't want to sign up and then just like either lose it or else get charged because I forget to cancel. Cloud Code is the best. They want to get some customers. Use a simple stack, you understand. You don't need to vibe code. Okay, anyways, let's do this. Okay. Should I just start over? There are. I feel like vibe coders are a whole other beast because they either don't care about which agents write their code / they don't care if their code completely works, or else they like do all of this research and find the best and like I don't know, are they paying like the top tier? Yeah. They also don't care. Okay, I will copy and paste. Okay, let's. I want the each day should have a way to select which users can view. Yeah, unless I'm kind of in the same boat as you. So like I want to understand what I code, which is why like for me, I know my learning process. Asking AI will not allow me to do that, but I also understand like I've talked to a bunch of people. So I have somebody who is a director at Amazon and I have somebody who is like really high up in another FAANG company. I have somebody who has his own business, and all of them have mentioned, hey, have you been utilizing AI in your programming? Like you need to be able to show that you can utilize AI in your programming to be. So it's like, for me, it's like a double-edged sword because I'm still learning and I'm not against using AI to become more efficient, but at the same time, like I don't want to use AI to learn because I already know from my learning process, I won't retain it. 1 year later, I don't vibe code this way. Reacts, brown mate. I don't care about the wallets. I wouldn't be a pen tester any longer. As pod code. Am I still? Hold on. Did I? No, you guys can see. You guys can see that now. I'm drinking from the fire. Just do it. Use this. I hear you. Just play with it before you let your. Hi, Missy. Thanks for the follow, Onemers. Trying pushing AI tools doesn't sound sinister at all. I know, right? Oh. I mean, I agree, but I don't know where to start with this project. Like, I'm staring at it and I'm just like, I'm completely lost right now. Like, do I start with front end? Do I start with back end? Do I start building at the same time? Like, I'm so completely lost. Okay, Life of a Ways. Wait, what's the fun part? How come? I cannot. Oh wait, yes I can. Endless ways to create something. No, I'm taking advice from Twitch chat. So my friend at table saw they haven't learned to use a hands-on yet, and then cut off their fingers. The one with the AI. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so freaking overwhelmed, guys. I'm like, gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wow. There's so much going on right now, guys. Why? This is a fun project. I've gotten nothing done yet. I've gotten nothing done. It's been an hour and a half. And oh, and I'm not even kidding you guys. I have performance anxiety right now. Like I have such bad performance anxiety right now. This project is going smoothly. Okay, I need to oh, because I literally got rated like within 5 minutes of starting the stream, and I was just like, no. Like rated by a lot of people, and yeah. It's okay to not be okay. I know. Okay, I'm about to tell the stacks. Okay, I'm going to be right back, guys. There's a lot going on. There's a lot going on in chat, and yeah, be right back, guys. Why can I not remember? I think it's this. Yeah, okay. This is probably not. Oh, my baby's awake. Oh, did you go back to sleep? Okay, well, since that's okay. Uh, hey, gentlemen, what ID? VS Code with Codex right now. Yeah, he's dumb. Thanks so much for the follow, White Sunset. Hi, Blooming. Okay, uh, this is a mistake. This is a mistake to just do AI. Skip? I don't know what this is. I'm gonna skip this because I don't know what this is. Oh. Oh, okay. Why not? Oh, skip? Oops, too late. Okay, hold on. Life of a Ways. The problem was I couldn't figure out what the how I wanted to approach it. Okay, well, while we are does haiku hey, does haiku cost yeah, I know, my baby's crying. Does haiku cost money? I can't remember. Okay, be right back, guys. I'm ugh. I don't know if my baby's gonna stay. Okay, hold on, guys. Hold on. Be right back. And I just did something and I don't know what I did. I have to clean up my what do you call it? Okay, how do I open chat again? I know I'm in Be Right Back, but I don't know what I just did. Hold on, guys. Okay. Okay. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I feel like this is telling me not to do this. Okay, there we go. Okay, okay, so I want React.js. Mm, okay, let's see. Try again. Agent. Plan? Hold on. So I don't have GitHub Copilot installed anymore. How come I can't do... How come I can't do okay. Oh my god. How come I can't use Codex? I don't want to use GitHub Haiku because they're trying to make me sign up for it. Oh my god. Okay. I give up. Guys, I give up. I don't want to use Node for the backend. I know Python. I give up. I give up trying to vibe code, okay? Oh my god. Oh my god. I just looked and it said Codex is free as of February 2026. However, it's not even trying to use Codex right now. It's using GitHub. Sorry, Claude Haiku. I'm not a vibe coder either, apparently. Oh, hey, look at that. You guys still see it? No, you guys can't even see it now. Okay. Man. Okay. Okay. Seriously, my brain hurts. I forget, I saw an article on this recently. I saw an article on who dubbed the name vibe coding. Okay, so vibing while coding. Carpathy. Andrew Carpathy. Oh my. Okay. Let me read this. Let me read this, okay? So this is the SQL schema. Complete projects. Okay. Okay. No, seriously, I'm like looking through this. I'm like, I can't do this. I can't do this. A learning experience for me. I know Flask. Andre. Okay. Initialize Python backend. Set a PostgreSQL database locally. Create database. That looks real. Coder don't know what's going on. Okay. So let me. Okay, so front end seems to be the last thing anyways. I mean, this is quite useful. Okay. Four to 6 weeks for one developer. Haha, yeah. More like 6 months. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Phase 1. Okay. Yeah, the preview, I do have the preview of it. Yeah. So I can open preview, Control Shift V. So I can, but it's fine because I'm not even worried about that. I'm just worried about this right now. Okay. Okay. So we're in Vim right now. So we're gonna pip install Flask. Okay. I forget, do I have to install Postgres? Oh. Okay. Uh, what is install? Okay. Thanks so much for the follow, Porky. I can use SQLite, but the thing is, I want to I need something that can hold images, right? I don't think I understand enough about this, but I think I want No, I know I need to install Flask, but what else do I need to install this? SQLite doesn't store images. Thanks so much for the follow, Scar, Anton. Okay, why did it just do all of this? Oh, okay. It's just creating all the files and dependencies. It's not actually doing everything. Good morning. Welcome in. Okay, it's fine. Okay, yeah. So it's setting up the this is good. This is good because I think I was having my main issue, guys, was I didn't know how to structure it. So this is good. It wrote 11,000 lines of code, did it? Oh my gosh, it did. Hold on. Okay. I'm not going to go, well, there's nothing there. There's nothing in the public. There's nothing here. So these are still pretty short. Okay, so these are still pretty short. So I think this is where... Ooh, don't want to show that. Whoops. Wait, I forget. Yeah. We don't want to show the .env either. How big is it? I don't see where it wrote 1100,000 lines of code. And installation. Okay. we're gonna close all these. Make sure. Oh, whoops. Did I accidentally close? We'll just die. Okay, so install all dependencies. Okay. Thanks so much for the follow, Metalhead. Okay, I can add complications. Storing in file system is preferred if there's no hard requirement. So, sorry, in a file system like cloud? Oh, on the server's file system. Okay. Okay, it looks like most of the stuff was added to like Markdown. Okay, yeah. So most of the stuff was added to Markdown, not the actual code. Flask application. Okay, where is... I think I need to read up on Flask again because I will admit I don't think I remember all of how Flask works. And honestly, I feel like I kind of got like I kind of don't like this because I feel like I don't know what's going on. Like I know what's going on, but at the same time my brain is not like processing. SQL Alchemy. I could have sworn I asked you to use Postgres. Okay. I mean, it would probably be stored in the server because different users would need to access it. There's always some. Yeah, I'm like. I'm kind of like. This is like. Yeah. I feel like this helped me see what I need, but I think it It's overwhelming me. Yeah. Hmm. Okay, so I'm okay with okay. So I'm basically okay right now with um we're gonna delete actually I'll just keep these for now. No, I'm gonna delete this because I actually like the project plan of this one more. So I do like this how it broke it down more here. But I think I'm gonna be done with this now. And I'm going to start one. Let me. I think so I do understand the process. So I know I never finished it, but my portfolio website, like I do understand the process of setting up the thing, but I think the web app, I think it's just like I have this idea, but I had no idea how to go about it, if that makes sense. Like, do I do front end first? Do I do back end first? But it looks like I do back end first. So I think I'm going to keep this code, but I think I'm going to use it to reference just how to lay out everything. But I think I'm going to try and code it myself. Because honestly, like, I feel like even this took 2 hours and I feel still very, very overwhelmed. Yeah, I still feel very, very overwhelmed, but I feel like, okay, well, now that I like this is useful to know, okay, this is what I should call them, how I should organize it. This is very, very useful. Um and yeah. So I did have the idea. I did identify features and stuff like that. Like I've been thinking about this app for a while because it's something that Baby Bunny's school could use and a lot of similar schools to her. Like they have Brightwheel right now, but I was talking to a couple of parents and teachers, and they said that it's instantaneous, like how it sends pictures and stuff, and they don't really like the feel of it. And from feedback and from what I get with Baby Bunny School, like, and other parents also get this from other schools, like where we get like a daily journal of kids activities and stuff. Like I feel like that would be really cool, especially if it stays in the system and then you could see like how much they've grown from the first year to like the third year. Yeah, Addie, I wasn't planning on having AI code for me. It was more just like, hey, how do I break this down? Hey, how do I get it started? Yes, I agree. I want to understand. Yeah, I want to understand my code. Okay. Anyways, let's start. So I think they actually started the app, right? This is yeah. So I think they named their app Run. I'm going to actually start a new folder. I'm going to just call it photo journal. Okay, I'm going to call it photo journal. We're going to open folder photo journal. Okay, and then we're going to open new window. Oh. Okay, so let's do this really quickly. Hi, Not. Hi, Neg. What progress? What progress? Totally sane. I know when I code it myself, I understand it. I know you guys are saying things that I've been saying. I know, but I was stuck today. Hi, Mighty. That's feedback. People don't want their project to fail just because you don't have. Okay. So we're gonna close chat. We are going to first we're gonna do Python them. Wait, somebody said use AI. Welcome in, Praj. I am human. Wait, why did it? What the heck? Okay, .them scripts activate. Did it? Why did that do that? I don't know why it keeps doing that. most things. What's human? Okay. Now we're going to jump in, scripts, activate. Okay, and then we're going to do pip install, upgrade, pip. It's going to give me an error even though it installs it correctly. Okay, and then we're going to also do we're going to also pip install Flask. Okay, and then we're also going to now do. Why is this so wide? Okay, we're now going to also do backend. Okay, and then how did they have it set up? And then app. Okay, so we're gonna add app. Okay, and then we're going to add the file app.py. Okay, so we're going to from Flask import Flask. App equals, oops, last name. Okay, so hold on. Let me double check. I don't think that did anything. Hold on. Python Flask. Not locate a Flask. Okay, give me a second. Hold on. Looks something like this. So what did the code do? Next week, the first argument name. Run the application. Okay, so we would do Flask app run. No. Night Endless. You generating code and obviously and understand. Okay. Why is this not Flask? app run? No. Flask help? Okay. Flask run? Flask Y app. Is it .py? Do I need .py? Is that why? Okay. Oh my god. I'm looking at the tutorial and what the heck? As a shortcut, if the file, you don't have to use app. Flask run. Okay, Flask run. No. As a shortcut, okay. If the file is named app.py, you don't have to use -- app. Oh my god. What the heck? I'm so confused. Oh my gosh, I know why. Flask. Backend. App. Run. No. Why is it, hold on, why is it having two? Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on, guys. Hold on. Ah, okay. Fine. No, what the heck? Oh, Flask run. There we go. Okay. I remember how to do this. Holy moly. Okay. So now we have this. We want to to do breakdown project plan. So phase 1. Set up Postgres locally. This is so bad. I don't remember how to do any of this stuff, guys. I don't remember how to do any of this stuff, guys. So I have Postgres installed. I have had people tell me, including some friends that I know, to use Docker. Yeah, I'm looking at this. I'm not gonna worry about this right now. I'm gonna just do Postgres. I'm just gonna do Postgres. Um, I'm going to also end focus mode. I'm also going to. This is a black screen. Yeah. Okay. Hold on. Hold on, guys. I've also been messing with my hair. Okay, so no. Okay, hold on. How to set up a new Postgres SQL. So I have the Postgres, run the installer, set up a password, accept default, select commands. Okay. Oh, okay. Got it. Okay. No, that's not what I want to do. Hold on. That doesn't seem right. I know, guys. I just. Oh, okay, got it. Okay, so photo journal, or actually local post. Hold on, guys. I know. Sorry. I know the screen is black. Thanks so much for the follow, Nyx. Okay, why is this not connecting? Okay. Server name. 54 pet. I think I don't remember my password. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Time to grow. Oh, okay. I think it's my... Okay, it was my password. Got it. Okay. Okay, so we got time to grow. So how do I connect? Server group? No. How did I should be this, right? No. This does not look familiar. Okay, this does not look familiar. How did I add query? Add new connection. Right? And then it would be localhost. Okay, hold on. So photo journal. I don't remember how to do this. I know how to do it because I did it before. I did this before, so why am I like... Is it because... Okay, oh my god. Guys, I feel really stupid right now. Like, I feel so stupid. Because I know how to do this, but why am I, like, literally forgetting how to do it? Okay, so I'm accessing... Create a new database. Now you create a new database. Connect back to the server. Run the command. Create database. Ah, problems. Terminals. Create database. I'm pretty sure. No, this is not where. Okay. Connect back to my server. Okay, I'm connected to my server. Okay. Okay, I'm connected to my server. Okay, so assign ownership, connect back to the server. Okay. Run the command replacing using SQL. How come my query history is not? Okay, so are we connected to the server? So we are connected to the server, right? Yeah. So only show connected servers. Perfect. Create new server. Connect. Edit connection. Refresh. Table spaces. Add new connection. Please run a query. So how do I run a query if it won't let me? Oh my god, why do I feel so stupid right now? Okay, so Dang it. Okay. Okay, that should be the password. What the heck? Oh my god. I freaking give up. I give up. I give up. Overpriced food. Hi, Backspace. Okay. Okay, let's try this one more time. Okay, I know that my password is this. Like, I absolutely know that that is the password because that's how I am getting into this. This is how I connected. So why is this not... Okay, what if we do... Hold on, guys. I'm so... Is Scrum, but your local config might... Super user. Oh, that's right. Okay. Okay. See? That was the password. Excuse me? Okay, hold on, guys. Okay, now... Your data... Okay, that's not it. Okay, so go to data directory, user local. Hey, too woke. Okay, so I'm going to create database. Create database. I know you guys can't see it, but that's because I just changed my password. What the heck? Okay, did that work? I'm so annoyed right now. I'm so annoyed. Okay. Hold on, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, did that finally work? No. Yes! Oh my god. All your friends. But they do background checks, Baby Yoda. Like, if you say that you graduated a college, some jobs will ask for the degree or your diploma. Yeah, I agree. I wouldn't lie about that. Yeah. I wouldn't lie about that and take that risk. That doesn't seem worth it to me. This chat is wild. I do want to be a data engineer rep who uh, oh my gosh. And I got a sub and I didn't even realize it at the time. Cha. I appreciate the sub. Thank you so much. I'm so sorry for not catching that. Oh my gosh. Okay, anyways, guys, we got this up finally. So ridiculous. So ridiculous. Okay. Anyways, so then we're going to add tables. So we want to okay, I'm gonna you guys I don't even know how to respond to that. Okay, so now what do I want to do? I want to so I am going to actually just copy and paste the user tables from just because that in itself I understand. That in itself I understand. So I'm gonna just copy and paste that because they already wrote it for me. So why not? However, database. Okay, so we're going to do and then Okay, so we're gonna do that for now. I those 10 years in Python. I mean, okay, the question is, are they asking for 10 years of experience and knowledge in that? So just 10 years of professional experience, or are they asking for 10 years of experience in that specific um tech, you know? Because I feel like a lot of the jobs, they're not necessarily asking for 10 years of experience in like React or anything. Most of the jobs that I've seen, at least for junior, is like 3 to 5 years experience. Also for entry level too, like entry level for 3 to 5 years experience. But anyways, they ask for 3 to 5 years experience with knowledge of one of these languages. It doesn't say you have to have 5 years experience in um, database management. Yeah, sometimes they do. Just like I've found job postings that are like, we want something that makes you stand out, like an Olympic medalist or something like that, or top 1% graduate. So like, yes, some do, but that's like the smallest percentage possible that ask for that. Yeah, like I feel like they ask for, you need this many years of experience and then we work in this. So have knowledge of it, but they don't specifically say, hey, you need 10 years of experience in this particular language. I don't think I've ever seen a job posting as specific as that, Baby Yoda. But I'm not looking at these senior roles. I'm looking at entry level roles. Okay, so I forget how to run the schema. You know how to run the schema for? Okay, so pSQL. Um, photo journal, database slash people. That work? I mean, I didn't get an error message. I didn't get an error message. Did it work? Refresh. I don't think it did. So am I supposed to do this? P-SQL. No, I don't want that. There we go. No. Yes? No. No. You know what? I'm too stupid for this right now. Oh my gosh. Uh Hi, Swan. I honestly do not remember how to do any of this stuff. Okay, so I database schema. No such file or directory. Oh. Dots. No. Hold on. Wait a second. It'd just be one, right? Okay. Path is relative. I don't think I'm inside the database folder. Yeah, no, I'm not. Hold on. No, so I'm in the app. So But shouldn't the dot dot bring me back all the way? Okay, so just kidding. Okay, so I do need... There we go. There we go. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Wait, what? Hold on. Refresh. No. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, so why is this not working? Nope. Nope. Oh my god. Why are you not working? Wait, why is this under here? Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Why is it under this thread? Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay, hold on. What did I do? So we're going to... Oh, I'm in the wrong... Oh my gosh. I'm in the wrong database. Right? Yeah, I'm in the wrong database. I don't remember if that's the or drop, right? Is that the correct? I don't remember, guys. I don't remember. Oh my god. Ugh. Ah. Okay. Guys, I feel so stupid right now. I feel so stupid right now. Oh, okay, hold on. What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay. Oh my god. Oh, the reset. I did use, hold on. No, that didn't work. Why? Okay, how do I change? Okay, there we go. Okay, so we are going to drop table images. Entry images. The Oh wait. What? Oh, it's because I keep forgetting the semicolon. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this should. Okay, so drop table. These journal entries. User relationships. Users. Why do I need Cascade? Okay, and then we're going to change to photo journal. No, that didn't work. Is it, oh, change? There we go. Why am I connected as Postgres? Why am I connected as Postgres? Ugh, anyways. Okay, so we're going to change photo journal database. Okay, and then so this should, yeah, okay, so this is gone. So this, okay, so then um, okay, so we're gonna change photo journal. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, anyways, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We're going to I don't know why I just did that. I know that that doesn't exist. Hmm? Hold on. Hold on. Excuse me. I'm currently not connected to a date. Change. Oh my god. Okay, so let's disconnect and then reconnect. Okay, now. Oh. Okay, so then it's pSQL user bunny and then photo journal, if I remember correctly. No. Okay, oh my god. I hate Postgres. I hate it. Ugh. I hate it. I hate it. High time. I tried, Addie, I tried hitting right click. I miss SQLite. Okay. Okay, let's try this again. T-SQL. Oh, I switched it. Okay. No. Okay, what if I were to quit? Okay. T-SQL D. Thank you. Okay, so now, oh, okay, so thank you. Oh my God. Oh. There we go. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay. And look, I didn't even need, at that point, I didn't even need to ask Google. Yeah, so I want this to be scalable. So I do want this to be used in the future. Um, yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. We're going to raid. You know who I haven't seen recently online is Chi-Chi. Okay, anyways, guys. Anyways. Oh my gosh. Hi, Doug. Welcome in. This was painful. This was a painful stream, guys. This was so painful today. So painful. Okay, is there anyone? Okay, somebody's doing Python. Lots of game developers. It was nice meeting you. Yeah, Howling is awesome. Howling is awesome, but um what if we were to raid somebody new? That's the thing. Oh, I'm still in focus mode apparently. Whoops. Like Python coding. Okay, okay. Oh, this is a very, very baby streamer. Like less than 100 people. Where's, when I can. Yeah, Python and Lua, but then there's also some Mr. Kalman. But then I'm also like, I'm gonna raid and run. So I kind of feel guilty. Um, I kind of feel guilty about just raiding and running. Like, at least with Howling, I know I can just raid and run and leave it on stream. Okay. So do we want to raid a baby raider, a baby streamer? To somebody who is new to streaming or has not had a ton of growth just yet, or do we want to raid Howling, who we all know from my community? I mean, to be fair, Howling is also still considered a newer streamer, I think. Okay, so Howling or else. Actually, let me listen to this one. Actually, I don't hear anything on Seraph. Hold on. Am I like, I don't hear anything on their stream. It says they're playing audio. Why don't I hear it? Okay. Yeah, we won't. Coleman is also, there's no sound. Is he? Because I don't hear anything. Why do I not hear anything? Okay, wait. Apparently my which okay, apparently my okay, well, my headphones still don't work. No, no, no. I do not have my tab muted anymore. Um, I don't I don't hear anything. But I know, hold on. Let me see.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
A first of its kind at home hair color device.
It's L'Oreal Paris Colorsonic. It does all the mixing. With just 5 minutes application.
No mess and no uneven results. Your best hair color at the press of a button. L'Oreal Paris Colorsonic.
Okay, hold on. Interesting. My Chrome is not working right now.
I've written a couple.
Okay. Okay, guys. Howling or Seraph? Okay, so baby streamer or baby streamer? Which one, guys? Which one? I see what you guys are doing right now with last. Nobody has an opinion. Who should we raid? Who should we raid? I don't know. I really have no idea. I know I definitely should raid someone. Because I was generously rated very early in my stream. How long has Sarah? Oh, I feel like Sarah is going to sign off soon though. Howling, I feel like will be on until like 5 a.m. Okay, I'm calling him out. Okay, so we'll raid Howling tonight just because Seraph's been on for 4 hours already, so I feel like their stream might end relatively soon. So Howling, I feel like will yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. And then if you are a follower, use that. Or if you are not a follower, but you just want to join in the raid, please spam that message. If you are a sub, spam this message. I need to change my raid message. But I appreciate you all, guys. I will probably be back tomorrow. I don't know. I don't know. I have to pack. I have to pack for like 3 different climates, and I'm a little stressed about that. So we'll see. We'll see. Okay. But I appreciate you guys all. You guys are amazing. Have a good night. If I'm back, I'll be back tomorrow. If not, I'll see you when I get back. Okay. Bye, guys. Appreciate you all.